The one question that I usually get from a lot of people is that how do I edit my videos? And the answer that I give to this question is that I edit my videos on my desktop. And the people who have asked me this question, and if you guys are watching this video, I might say that your question was fully wrong. Instead of asking me that how do I edit my videos, you guys should have asked me that what software do I use to edit the videos, or what is the process of editing the videos. So I'm just here to clear your doubts. So instead of telling you guys or giving you guys a list of softwares that I think are the best, I'm going to be showing you guys the apps and the software that I have used for the past couple of years and the software that I'm currently using to edit my videos. The first app that I used for editing my videos was the Power Director. This might be the only app that I actually felt like using a professional software. You can basically find this app on Play Store and on App Store, and you even get a variety of color grading profile and gives you a lot more options to edit the videos. And if you ask me, this might be the best editing app that you will get for your smartphone. And after using that app for a couple of months, then I moved on to another app that was the Viva Video Editor. At that time I didn't have a camera, so I was using my phone to take the videos, and the only reason that I moved from a Power Director to Viva Video was its slow-mo effect. That actually caught me, and that time I just loved the slow-mo videos, and it was the slow-mo effect of 120 frames per second, so that's the reason that I changed from Power Director to Viva Video. And again, you can find this app on Play Store and on App Store. And even having the 120 frames per second slow-mo effect, the app was not kind of perfect. And I actually used the app for around a week, because within that week I got to know more about editing videos and the software that I could install on my desktop. And so I stopped using this app, and even at that time I got to know about the softwares. It was really hard for me to install those softwares, because at that time I didn't have a Wi-Fi connection and I had to buy those softwares from cyber cafes. So buying those software actually cost me a lot, but I didn't care about the money, how much I was spending on a software, because I just wanted to edit the videos and learn more about editing videos and creating. So I just got one. So the first software that I purchased was the VCSD or the VSDC. And those of you who have used this software, you might ask me that why did I purchase this software rather than purchasing other. So the simple reason is that this was the cheapest software that I could purchase. So this is the only reason that I got this software. So I have to use this software, and if I have to review this software is not that good, it's not that bad, it is somewhere in between. I don't know about right now, but back then when I used this software, it had many bugs, some issues, there was always something wrong while editing the videos. So I really had a bad experience with this software. So if you want to use this software, you can go to their official website. I'll just link it down below and you can just go and check it out. So after using this software, I also moved on to some other softwares, but every software that I used had some issues. Some had problem while exporting the videos, some did not import videos of 1080p, some had audio importing problems, and so on. So then I started using Premiere Pro, and using Premiere Pro was not that easy. It actually took me a while to understand the settings, how it functions. And if you want to start using Premiere Pro, you should have a clear base about editing, the cutting tool, the trimming, the LUT and the other things. So it actually took me a while, but I finally started to understand the settings, how it functions, and I started editing videos on Premiere Pro. So I have been using Premiere Pro and it has been working really fine for me. Only the thing is that sometimes I have problem with Adobe Manager or the Creative Cloud because it frequently has its updates, so you gotta update your software. So using this software is not that easy, but when you finally get to know about everything, it is just gonna be easy for you, like kind of a workflow for you. So if you guys want to know my final opinion about the software, is that if you have a desktop, use Premiere Pro. It is the best in my opinion. And if you don't have a desktop, use your smartphone with a Power Director. So there you have it guys, a little bit info about how I edit my videos. Hope you guys got some ideas about my editing. And you guys might notice that my footage is not that clear. It's not because of my editing, it's really because I don't have a C-Log on my camera, so I have to shoot on neutral. And soon I'll be changing to Cine Style.
Please help me get over you.
So that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, help me out by liking and subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.